When you try too hard to start conversations, they often die quickly because real connection is not about talking more, but about being present and choosing your words carefully. And the Stoics understood this long ago by teaching that saying less with meaning is more powerful than performing for attention. So simple phrases can change everything. Like saying, "Tell me more about that," and then truly listening without turning the focus back to yourself. Because people remember how you made them feel. Heard, or calmly saying, "I don't know," when you don't have an answer, which shows honesty and quiet confidence instead of insecurity. And when someone shares something painful, instead of trying to fix them, simply saying that sound hard acknowledges their experience and gives them space to feel understood. Because real strength is gentle, presence matters more than clever replies. And when you listen deeply, speak honestly, and respond with empathy, people naturally feel drawn to you without effort, ego, or pretending. People need your calm presence more than your words. And this is where the power of silence comes in. Because silence is not weakness but strength, even though most people fear it and rush to fill it with noise, while those who are comfortable with silence speak less and are listened to more since their quiet shows that their words matter. As Seneca taught that silence is learned through hardship and is full of attention and power. And when you stop fearing silence, you think clearly, listen better, and speak with purpose, then there's a phrase, "I appreciate you," which goes deeper than thank you because it values the person and not just what they did, creating real connection by recognizing character and kindness, something Marcus Aurelius believed kept virtue alive. And finally, there's a word no, which is difficult but freeing, because saying yes to everything costs your peace and focus, while a calm and honest no shows self-respect and builds respect from others, filtering out those who only want your time and attracting those who value you. And together these ideas show that real attraction is not about trying harder, but about being present, listening, setting boundaries, speaking with meaning, and removing the need to impress, so people notice not just your words, but the strength and calm behind them.